Hey, it's your boy SergDragon. I'm back, and I'm back for just a few bit. As you can see, I only got less than 2 hours before this event ends, and I'm probably going to be in bed by that. So I'm going to train as much as I can using this character. He's the white dragon. I mean, a white Dino Ranger. And while I'm doing that, I'm trying to get this this character I have not yet got. I'm brave. Ooh, I think I just got her. Hold up. Switch it. I got my lights off. Okay, get that off. Yeah, I got her. She says, "Who are you? I'll take commands from no one. However, you may be an exception." Let me save that. There you go. Turn off the camera. Okay. Let's get back to where I wanted. I have all 6 sisters now. From Brave Frontiers. I don't usually play Brave Frontiers on here, but I might just. Oh, one more thing. If you're watching this, let's see, Ryle Barnwell, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, has been kicked out from the Alliance. Now, this upsets me. Because I don't know what was going on. I don't know what was going on with him. He's promoted. And so you get make me co-mentor anyone. Because he was one of the guys who helped ran this thing. And for some reason, he left. And I was promoted to mentor. That's literally the highest ranking from what I understand. I'm literally the highest. I'm not kidding. Not only am I tied for first place, but the only reason why I'm number one is because I'm mentor. Somebody promoted me. It doesn't say who, but that means I can promote anybody. I'm trying to see, which also means I can kick anybody. So, like my predecessors before they left, and I'm going to see. And go back down. Rahel Barnwell, if you're watching this, keep tabs and try to get back in here. We can only have 30 at a time, but I will kick anyone that is not donating. If they're not being a team player, they're getting kicked. So far, there's only a few zeros, though. I understand if they can't play as much, but if you don't help, if you don't give those shards, I'm looking here, and looks like I'm the one who's giving out most of the shards. And earlier, I said, where is it? Here you go. Everybody wants Samurai Ranger assist shards, and I ain't got any. I didn't. They were asking for so many. Let's see, where is she? Where is she? There you are. See, she used to be only 5 points needed. Now she's 6 points, and she got a major upgrade. Her attack is insane, and she does burn damage, but she takes a chunk. I had to switch it up with this guy. He doesn't do burn damage, but he's got insane attack points, just like her. Well, that said, I'm going to go ahead and get back to what I needed to, and that's this. I'm going to look every week. I'm going to do that on Sundays and kick anybody who has not been donating. I'm going to pay attention to that. Let's see how many of you. I'm in 5 minutes in. Exploratory there. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Go!
Ooh, right off the bat, that was fast. Oh, damn, I couldn't even counter. You countered it. In your face. Can't fight back. Let me guess. Yes, I was right. Coming in. Boom. Back up, back up, back up, back up. I don't know if he's going for a breaker. Nope, he didn't, and I can't counter it. Ooh, he got me. That's 2 losses. I always tell my league members I'm on YouTube, and I upload these fights every so often. If there's a good event going around, I'll upload the videos. That or I just feel lucky that I want to upload my combats. There we go. Here's my opponent. Lord Dragon. Dracon. It's Dracon.
1. Go!
Ooh, no! Ooh, nice. That was a good combo. That was a flinch. And another flinch. What? Another flinch? What? Are you kidding me? This guy's good at flinching. What? Okay, back up. Well, I kept up the fight, but he did major combos on those flinches earlier. And that should be it. I got another free one? Third one? Okay. Let's go again. I'm not changing. I want to get used to this. I already got used to using Black Dino Ranger Tommy Oliver when they first came out. And I plan on getting more used to it. But after I truly unlock this character.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Oh, I don't think so. Boom. Gotcha. Come on, come on. One more time. Okay, you going for the breaker? Nope. I saw that coming. What? Ooh, he's got those combos in. You wanna run? You wanna run? Too bad. Saw that. He saw that too. Oh, I can't block. What you got? What you got? Saw that. Ooh, I can... Come on. Ooh, I wasn't fast enough. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I hope I'm right. Nope. Whew, this is gonna be a dead ringer. Could go either way. Oh, he blocked me. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, I got him. Ooh. That was intense. It was going either way. Who is this guy? Kadeen? Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Kadeen Flair. Thank you for that match. You definitely made me work for my money. And there's no money involved. Dang. Okay. That was the first match of this round. Well, this tournament round. I lost the last 2 matches in the one I was in previously. Had to start it all over again. Alright. Ooh. He's the 6th Ranger from Turbo. I don't remember him. Ooh, I thought he was coming. And I just wasted a bunch of energy. Okay, I'm gonna be... Back it up, back it up, back it up. Ooh, oh, yeah, that was fast. What'd you get? What'd you get? Oh, I knew that was coming. Lasers! Boom! Can't block that. Oh, it's a distance. I didn't see that coming, but hey, I blocked it. Ooh, he got me. Ooh, This is getting... Ooh, he countered it. Fast. These characters are fast. Always gotta look out for those guys. Okay. First loss. Let's keep going. 10 minutes in. I might have to stop this video so I can make sure it doesn't get messed up. After this fight, I'll stop this video and merge it with the next one.
3,
Here we go.
2, 1.
No pain, no gain.
Go.
Saw that. Oh, now you block it? Okay, back up, back up. Eat this. Boom. Ooh, now you block it again. Oh, no, 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 no. I couldn't block that. Ooh, I found a combo. I didn't know I could do that. Ooh, no. Dang. Got him. I'm glad he went for the strike. If he went for the breaker, that would have been it for me. But I found a nice combo. Get him in the air, and I can use my... What was it? What is it called? Super speed attack. If I can get him in the air, super speed attack deals damage and doesn't allow him to hit the ground, which means he can't block. If you ain't touching the ground, you can't block. That's the rule. So that's a good combo. Like I said, I'm learning. Oh shoot, I was supposed to end this video.
2, 1.
I gotta end it after this time.
Go.
Punch you in the face. I couldn't activate. Ready for you. Yeah, I'll let you do that because... And... I can't do anything. What you gonna do? Another projectile? Gotcha.
KO. You win.
Alright. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here and I'll be right back.